to. Let him fucking go! Let him go! Oh my God, I don't want to fucking shoot him. Let him go! Oh, Corey, I'm gonna have to. Are you okay?
All right, team, real quick. The difference in humans, especially men and women, is their nervous system, right? So you can hear in her voice and you can see in her hands that she doesn't have the training, and if she does have the training, she's not able to implement it because her nervous system is freaking out. So you'll hear people say things like women are better shots than men because they follow directions, but their nervous systems under stress are designed differently. This isn't to say women can't be very dangerous, because they can be. This isn't bad, but the job that this officer did honestly scared the heck out of me, because she was holding her pistol incorrectly the entire time. Lack of training. And then as a human being, not male or female, she wasn't able to manage the stress in the environment and make the right decision. When you're less physically potent, the need for you to implement lethal force sooner is a reality that you have to manage. Personal protection about the self, self-defense about the self. So a male would have more easily been able to join the physical altercation without having to go to tools, and could have saved this suspect's life. A female has a different equation to solve. The true tragedy of this situation is that this female didn't have the training or capabilities, or didn't feel that she did, and so the suspect had to lose their life. Considerations. I personally am not a fan of females in combat roles, because I've seen combat. I'm not saying that none of them can be, but it as a general statement, I see thousands of these videos a year, and the ones with females in them seem to take a certain trend. I love women. I want to protect them. I've got 5 sisters and other women in my life. And so I think there's a conversation that should be had about it. I'm not saying any blanket statement's correct, but this was a terrible demonstration of the realities of what we see very frequently when it comes to females in combat situations and scenarios. Considerations. Not saying I'm right. It's my opinion. Love you. God bless you.
Boom! It's finally here. Go to protectornation.com to join the Protector Nation community. Learn online and become part of our Protector Nation family. I look forward to seeing you guys there, and for us all to join forces to make the world a safer place by helping good people to become more dangerous. I'll see you there, and until then, be peaceful but not harmless.